for South Calhoun bypass. We got the Bucees and the Loves. This Bucees has a car wash now. Gas is $3.68. Diesel $2.79 for unlead. Let's see what the Loves is. Loves is $2.79, so we can get 10 cents a gallon off at Loves. It's cheaper, and I think it's 10 cents off it could give us $2.69 here at Kroger. We would only get it for $2.89, so we may fill up over there at Love's, get a coffee and fill up at Love's. Thanksgiving Day, Buccees, Calhoun, Adairsville, Georgia. We're going to go out the back way. There are about 12 or 13 Tesla charging stations on the back there. And up front here they have added, looks like several, I think, Mercedes charging stations. Make up your mind. We're ready to pull out. We got people coming down, impeding our travel. We'll be out tomorrow getting video. I don't know if we'll be back in this area or not. We may go ahead and get gas over at Love's. We'll see here in a minute. Looks like we've got about 5 people charging on the Tesla charging stations. And that dead end's there to the right, I'm pretty sure. Car wash are lined up over there. You've got 2 lanes that turn left heading out of here, and you've got this one on the right that goes straight across, and that's where we're headed. don't need gas right now. I think we'll just go in and get a coffee. Okay, starting back out from the Loves and Bucees, exit 310. We're going to take the 53 spur of the South Calhoun bypass over to 41 and go into Calhoun from the south on US 41. Should have gone 75 and gotten off, and that way you could see that stretch of commercial from 75 into Calhoun, but we didn't. We're supposed to have broken off about midday, and the sun did come out a little bit. But like I said, yeah, this is starting a new video. So this is Thanksgiving Day evening, 2024, November 28th, 5:36, about 52 degrees. Georgia 53 spur, South Calhoun bypass. This is US 41. South is to our left, north is to our right. Should be pretty good lighting for Calhoun. I think they'll probably have the Christmas decorations lit up. The airport is over to our left. Ceiling 12-volt blanket today, the 3 temperature setting, washable, detachable power cord, washable blanket. We've got a couple of other reviews we need to do, but I don't know if we'll get to them tonight or not. Probably not. through town, we'll be keeping an eye out, looking for a van for sale. Still like to find a parts van. We made an offer on one, but it was rejected. I thought it was a pretty fair offer. I mean, sight unseen, just going by him saying it was in good shape. Easily South Carolina. He wanted $2,000, I offered him $15,000. He said he'd take $18,000, and I said, call me if you change your mind. Hadn't heard back from him. Okay, coming up here on the left, you've got the Kroger Shopping Center. This is Georgia 53 right here. It crosses over right here. 75 is to the right, and 53 to the left, and it looks like we have a blue light special, but it could be some kind of promotion. It doesn't look like a normal blue light. So we'll see when we get over there. But like I said, there's a lot of commercial, food and all that stuff to the right down to 75. And then we'll be going right through Calhoun. We'll turn around and come back and do a little zigzag through the streets so you can see Calhoun if they have the Christmas lights lit up. It looks like they do.